All right, so I rebuilt the steering box, and as I was taking the drag link off the tie rod, you could see here I destroyed the rubber grommet that goes on here, or the rubber boot. Now, I was noticing I had some rubber all in here still, and I didn't realize this, but there's a little metal, and this is metal, and it blends in so well with, you'll see here, it blends in very well with the tie rod once it's pushed on. So I was wondering how to get this off. A little easier than I thought, very easy. As it was on there, I put a screwdriver underneath there and gave it a few taps, and it kind of popped right off, which then allows me to get in here, and I'll end up cleaning this whole thing up. And I'll put some grease in there. You'll see there is a fitting on the bottom. That's the grease nipple. So I'll grease that up, and it doesn't move around too bad as it is. A little rough, so I'll put some grease on the top. We'll fill it up. And then on Amazon, to replace that, I bought a couple of bags of these right here, which are the rubber boots. And each bag was pretty cheap. It was like 10 bucks or something. So I'll end up putting this, greasing this up, putting the boot back on, and then we'll install the power steering box and then just clip the Pitman arm onto that tie rod.